Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisaf from InCred Equities. Nifty continued to reel under pressure, and after triggering a bearish harmonic Gartley, the fall was in line with expectations. But what I did not envisage was the fact that 25,000, levels will be sliced through so easily. And Nifty has been falling for the last 7 consecutive sessions. So going by statistics, these are extreme zones on hourly charts. We have entered extreme oversold zones in momentum indicators, and generally we have seen 6, 7 times of red candles on a constant basis. Generally leads to a bounce back. So whether that bounce back is a temporary one or whether that is change in the behavior pattern wherein the bulls again get back in control, one will have to see. But it generally leads to a bounce back. The simple logic being that when the markets or when the prices correct rapidly in consistent formations, the momentum indicators they fall more by the virtue of the averages look back periods that's been taken into consideration, and that results in many of the momentum indicators getting into oversold zones. So let us see if that actually pans out. Secondly, we have been saying that the markets are not giving a true picture, while the indices have seen a correction of around 3%, 4% from the top. We are yet to see an instance where the stocks have not fallen more than 4%. It's been plethora of stocks where the correction has been 8%, 10%, and even more, in some cases 15, 20% also. So that also can be taken into consideration that the market breadth has again entered into extreme oversold zone. The last time this happened, Nifty was at 24,300, 400, and we witnessed a bounce back. If whether that happens again, interesting to see. But what is interesting, and mentioned the weekly bulletin as well, Nifty, Nifty Mid Cap 100, Nifty Small Cap 100, Nifty 500, Nifty Micro Cap 250. All of these indices are trading near the respective swing support, which is 1%, 1.5%, 2% away. So we are at the critical times. If these supports were to be broken, then there will be a tactical shift, and we may see Nifty heading towards, or maybe all these indices heading 2 3% lower further. But it's futile to anticipate breakdown of that happening, and rather if it sustains, if it has a retest, the bounce back will be equally severe. So let us see if that happens or not. Nifty and all the other indices which I mentioned are in formation of higher tops, higher bottoms. So if the previous bottom is sustained, we may see a fresh swing high about 25,500 being formed. uh, US markets closed on a positive note on Friday, not a very thumping victory for the bulls, but 50 pips, 60 pips higher. Gift Nifty is pointing towards 100 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a gap up note. Whether that gap sustains, again, we'll have to see. We have seen instances where the opening is very stark, but the markets remain muted for major part of trading session. And if indeed market sustains about 24,800, we may see a shortcut towards 25,000. 25,000 would now again be a very strong resistance. So Nifty has again entered into a zone of 24,500, 25,000. A close above 25,000 will again result in a move towards 25,500, 25,600. Till the time that does not happen, one will have to be very selective. Buy Nifty on dips towards 24,500, keeping stop loss of 120 points, play for 25,000 mark. Till then, refrain yourself from trading in indices. In the range bound markets, entry and exit has to be quite optimal. You don't get too many chances. You don't get trades very often. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.